Meaning of letter opener.
Letter opener.
Letter opener.
Letter opener.
Letter opener. A letter opener is a small tool used to open letters or envelopes. It typically has a sharp blade or point at one end designed to slide between the flap of an envelope and its contents, allowing the user to easily and quickly open the envelope without damaging the contents inside. Letter openers can be made from a variety of materials including metal, plastic, or even ivory. They were traditionally used before the widespread use of tear-away adhesive strips on envelopes.